In this video, we're going to troubleshoot a Fitbit watch, doesn't matter which version that you have, that's not syncing and pairing with your smartphone, whether that's an iPhone or an Android or whatever phone that you have. So, first thing I want you to do is restart both your Fitbit and restart your phone. So I'm sure if you have a phone, you know how to restart it. So completely power it down and restart it. And your Fitbit, I want you to restart it as well. So for example, this is a Versa, and to restart this, you just hold it down for like 10 seconds and then it'll restart. Okay, and then tell me if it will pair after you restarted it. Okay, next thing I want you to do is in Fitbit, I want you to scroll to the left, and then I want you to look where it says Find Phone, or it may say Disconnected. I want you to hit that and then try to get it to pair like that. Now, if you've tried that and that doesn't work, I want you to go to Settings on your Fitbit. Again, swipe to the left until you get to the Settings icon. Click Settings. Now, I want you to go down to where it says Bluetooth. Now, when you get to Bluetooth, I want you to force it off and then turn it back on, and then let me know if it will sync up with your phone. Next thing I want you to do is on your phone, go to the Fitbit app and sync from the Fitbit app. Now what I want you to do is uninstall the app from your phone and reinstall it on Google Play. And so of course you know what to do as far as uninstalling an app. You just basically hold down the app and then that'll give you the option to uninstall it. Install it back with Google Play, restart the phone, and then see if it will sync. Now if it still doesn't sync, I want you to do a full factory restore on your Fitbit, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So what you're going to do when you're from the home screen, you're going to swipe to your left, and you'll continue swiping until you see the little gear shift icon, which is the settings. So we can go ahead and hit settings, and then from there you're going to scroll down until you get all the way down until you get to the About section. And so we can see here About. So what you're going to do is hit About. And then you're going to keep scrolling down. And right here you'll see where it says Factory Reset. Go ahead and hit that. And it says Reset this Fitbit. And it basically confirms that you want to reset it. Again, that's going to wipe out all your information and make it like it was out of the box. Okay, I'm sure one of those methods worked for you. Make sure you put in the comment section which exact method worked for you. Make sure you like the video and you subscribe, and I will talk to you on the next one.